Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I was looking for something really special for the holidays, a snack of some sort. Well, actually, that's kind of a lie. I was just looking for a snack in general. And I thought of a cheese ball, but I wanted something different because I've done tuna cheese balls, salmon cheese balls, and I decided to do a pineapple cheese ball. Turned out beautiful. You're gonna love it, so let me show you how to do this. So to kick things off here, I'm going to start with some cream cheese. And this is about 2 8-ounce packages, or about 710 grams of the Philadelphia. Now I use Philadelphia, you can use whatever cream cheese you like, there are lots out there. And something I have to mention, make sure it's at room temperature, so I usually leave mine out for about 4 hours. 8 ounces or 210 grams of crushed pineapple, and make sure it's well drained. A 1/4 cup of red bell peppers. I like the red, just the sweetness, but you can use the green or the yellow. And another 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, and you can use shallots too. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt to bring out those flavors. And for my spices, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now this is totally optional, I just like the taste. About 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to take my handy dandy wooden spoon and mix everything together. So this is going to be a fairly short video, guys, so maybe I'll just talk to keep you amused. 77 years ago. No, I don't think you want the Gettysburg Address. So you want the mixture something like this, guys. This is fairly well mixed. You can use a mixer too if you like. I'm just a handy guy, so I do it by hand. Next up, what I have here is a bowl, and I've taken a fairly long piece of saran wrap and laid it this way, and another one going this way. Now I'm going to scoop up the mixture and place it into the center of the bowl. Then I'm going to take one end of each of the saran wrap, or one side, and fold it up. And the same with the other side. And kind of wrap this up and form a ball out of it. Now, you can do it by hand, but this way your hands don't get dirty. Just give that a twist. Now I'm going to slip this in the fridge for a couple of hours just to firm up. You can do it overnight too if you like, depending on how much time you have. Alrighty then, guys, after being in the fridge for a couple hours, and you can kind of speed this process up by putting it in the freezer too, I'm just going to put it on a plate. And then I'm going to kind of give it the flip onto my hands and put it in some crushed pecans. You can use walnuts too. Might get a little bit messy, but that's fine. And pick up some of those walnuts, or those pecans I should say, and put it over it. So I've just gone ahead and transferred this onto a plate, and I'm just going to beautify it up a little bit. And as I said before, this kind of gets to the messy part. It doesn't have to be a perfect ball. And drop some more pecans on. And one of the final steps, I'm going to place some crackers around the outside. This is going to be so good, guys. I just love a cheese ball of any kind. And there you have it, guys, our pineapple cream cheese ball. Just perfect for the holidays, any occasion for that matter. Now the part I love the most is the digging in and the taste test. So let's just see what this is like. Okay. Guys, this is so good. What shines through is that pineapple, the bell pepper, the onion, that hint of garlic, the richness of the cream cheese, and of course those pecans. Just absolutely incredible. Your friends and family are going to love this, and you're going to love it. Now, something I want to mention before we end here is actually two things. Number one, the draw for the knife. It's still not too late. You can still put your name in, make a comment if you're a subscriber, and where you're from shipping purposes. So go ahead and do that, and we're going to draw very soon within the next couple of videos. And number two, we are going to do another episode of Stove Talk, and I'm going to do it on knives. Not necessarily buying knives, but keeping what you have sharp and safe. So thanks for watching, and for this recipe, remember to head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there that'll keep you busy for hours. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.